This Igbanke recent posture, man, hey, this disconnection with Bini, this one, this one, Chioko na all people na-ekwu. The way they are trying to reject anything. In fact, Igbanke is no longer suffering an identity crisis. No. And you know what baffles me? Igbanke is the one that is, nearest to Bini. The Igbo people that are nearest to Bini, look at where they are in the map. Next door neighbor to Bini people. And you will be like, some people will say, this one should quickly take Bini ancestry. You saw the earlier press conference they did, how they explained when Oba of Bini, former Oba, the one before the current one, approached them so that their kings, their obis will become enogies. How they rejected it recently. You would think that is where they will stop. A lot of video has come out since then. But this particular one I'm about to play, this one is like, if I were Bini people, I would just say, let me give up on these people. They cannot connect with us again. If you what I saw in this video, this one, I don't know what to connect them again. And, this is not about making trouble. No. It's about, this is who we are. We are no longer hiding it. Yes, we are your next door neighbor, but then we are not you. We are ourselves. You need to watch this video and we'll be right back.
Your Excellency, sir. Anioma Dimma. Anioma Kweli. Igbanke Kweli. Your Excellency, AP represented by the Chief of Staff. I am here representing the people of Igbanke. Igbanke is 6 autonomous kingdoms wrongly bounded in Edo State in 1991. There is a natural boundary that bounded us out of Edo State, but out of some political mischief, we were placed under Edo State. Today, we are supporting the creation of Anioma State under Southeast political zone. Thank you. We have submitted our memoranda during the public hearing at Enugu State, Akwa Ibom State, and Bayelsa State. And our memorandum is very clear that we don't want to be in Edo State anymore. Yes. We don't have any affinity when it comes to names, language, culture, trade, or whatever. Our local government, which is Orionwo, we don't have access to it. Before we can access our local government, we have to pass through 2 different local governments, which is the Huode local government in Edo State and Agbo, a cast out in Edo State. We can't continue to do this. The rate of marginalization from the state is much because why? We are a car people, and when we go to Benin or any Edo place, they call us Owika and Owigbo. Yes. Now we have stand and come to say yes, we are answering that name, Owigbo and Owika, because we are joining our kids and kids in Anioma State. Thank you so much.
Wow, that one is serious. So Bini people even call them Oweka, Owibo. Bini people even see them as Igbo. I'm surprised to hear this, that Bini people even call them Oweka, Owibo. And that is it. And that is who they are. Let's stop deceiving some people, using them to make up numbers. At the end of the day, okay, you heard about the lady that said they go to meeting in Edo. The whole thing that is done there, the means of communication is Edo. They, Igbanke people, do not even understand anything. And when they query it, they are told, you have to go and learn Edo language. Yet, you say they are one. Can you imagine? Oweka, Owibo. Bini people call them Oweka, Owibo. Hey! And I like what the speaker said. As you can see, this is not coming from Igbo Unification Group. These people are waking up. They were not compelled to do so, no. Remember in their earlier press conference, they said they were wrongly matched, that the Oba approached them to answer a Nogia, like I said earlier. 1982. It was even recent. It wasn't ancient times. But you had them, their kings answer Obi and the rest of them. So they were wrongly merged and they are waking up. They said they have boundaries, they have their own boundaries, but somebody wrongly matched them to Edo State. Look at what they said. They support Anioma State creation under Southeast. Not just that, they sent a letter during the submission to Enugu Bayelsa indicating their interest to be part of the Anioma State. And that will be through boundary adjustment, certainly. So they are not mincing words. They are clear on this. We are done with this. It's not about war. No, no. And it shouldn't make trouble. This is just simple. We want to identify as who we are. Finally, somebody is speaking up. You know, when I saw the first press conference they did, that was about a year ago, heading for 2 years now. I was like, are these people, you know, though we were doing the awakening, there are different groups involved in this, but we never knew that was just the trigger. We thought that is the height of it. No. We never knew they are coming back in a bolder way to announce who they are. For those who are saying, unity beggars this, these guys are Igbanke people. All of them there. They approached Ned Nwoko in that video. They are telling Ned Nwoko, this is what we want. Since it's been Ned Nwoko that is behind the trying to make Anioma a Southeast state, because the slot is actually for the Southeast state. They are indicating interest that they want to be part of that Anioma as a Southeast state. They also shared their grudges. How can you tell somebody, okay, you use somebody to make up the number? In real sense, you do not appreciate the people. You are even calling them Igbo. But some Bini bloggers, some Bini content creators will come to us. You cannot have Igbanke this, Igbanke that. Fighting us as if the Igbanke people doesn't know what they want. And like I said earlier again, these are the people, if you're talking about distance, they are the closest to Bini, yet they speak Igbo. And let's even talk about that broadly. This is very important. And what is happening to Igbanke is not just about rejecting Bini ancestry. No. It is about their identity. It is about belonging and political survival as well. Yes. When a community comes out publicly to say, we are not Bini, we are Anioma Igbo, and we want to join Anioma State, that is a serious statement. Communities do not make such declarations lightly. It usually means something has been building for years. They did not just wake up one morning, oh, we are fed up. No. They have been counting. They know who they are, but they maintain some kind of silence in the past. Okay, let's go with this. Let's manage it. And it seemed not to be working because the people they are trying to layers work with still sees them as who they are. Even though they use them to brag outside, these are part of us. So what they did has been building for years. Now let me tell you, identity is very powerful. And if the people speak a language closer to Igbo than Bini, and if they get married into Igbo communities, if they thread more with Anioma areas, the ones they share boundary with and share cultures, festival and customs with, then over time they will naturally feel closer to that side. Culture shapes how people see themselves. Almost everything they do. Now the second one, there is an issue of governance. If they truly have to pass through other local government like two, you heard what he said, just to assess their own, that is frustrating. If they feel neglected or politically sidelined in the state they were, I had one Obemudia this and that, did whatever they like. The anger will continue to grow. When people feel marginalized, they start looking for where they think they will be better treated. They start looking at their real identity. That is what is just happening. The only way it can be resolved is when they are allowed to identify truly as who they are. This will be their entire choice. Then we talk about the Anioma State conversation. It has reopened old questions. Anytime Nigeria talks about creating new states, border communities begin to re-examine their position. They ask, where do we really belong? Where will we have a more voice? Where will development reach us? Border communities are suffering. In the case of Igbanke, there are some influences, but they know they are not the same. Now you add them to another state. Remember, Igbanke people are Ika people. They share blood, ancestry with the Ika people in Delta State. So who is that person making that adjustment, putting them in Edo? Normally, if they are in Delta, they are still at a border community, they could make some requests. Border communities are hardly reached, just like the ones that are within the center. Now, their case is even worse when they are at the border of another state with people who are not the same, who see them differently. So they ask, where do we really belong? Where will we have more voices? Where will development reach us? This issue is not really black and white. But what matters most here is that Igbanke people are taking the decision by themselves. And note, please, this identity, we are not trying to use it as an insult to another group. No. We are hailing them for being who they are. We are not here to curse Bini people or Edo people. No. We are hailing Igbanke for choosing who they are. And we don't hate Bini people. We don't hate them. I don't hate them. This is only about self-definition. So I believe they are doing the right thing. They are taking the right steps to properly fit in where they are supposed to fit in. So what I see in these Igbanke people, they are a community trying to reposition themselves for the future. Whether it succeeds depends on the law, the national politics, and how strong their evidences, especially historical evidences, are. Note, they said, particularly not in this video, but in the earlier videos, that they were approached, come and become Enogis, which they rejected recently. So we are not making this video to attack anybody, no. The essence of this video is that we are happy that identity crisis problem is being resolved. That there have been influences in Igbanke, yes, there are. Due to proximity, due to wars, like I said, migration and the rest of them. But what determines who the people are? Their language, their culture, their tradition, all of this is what determines the people. And Igbanke have the right to choose where to belong. And that is it. I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Please share this video widely. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe.